Hi and welcome to session 1 of the Laser Focus series. In this series, we'll use a more advanced technique of breath awareness to further sharpen your focus and concentration until it has all the power of a laser beam. We live in a world of distraction, and a sharp, stable focus is vital to realize your full potential. So here you're going to learn to visualize breathing through alternate nostrils, paying close attention to the air entering one nostril and then the other. By narrowing your point of focus, you are essentially intensifying it. And as you do so, all distractions will melt away and only the object of your attention will remain. So let's begin today's practice. Sitting down comfortably, take a few slow, deep breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. A few more breaths like that. And then, allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms, gently close your eyes and turn your attention to the contact between your body and the chair. And notice and experience those sensations. Now mentally scan your body from head to toe and experience how your body feels right now. Notice the weight, the temperature, and the overall feeling of your body. Now notice your mood. How do you feel emotionally? Turning your attention now to your breath. Allow your body to breathe in its own natural rhythm. So don't control your breath, don't initiate it or hold on to your breath. Just let your body breathe and notice. As your body breathes in, your abdomen rises. And as your body breathes out, your abdomen relaxes, falls. So rest your attention on this rising and falling and notice and experience the movements of your abdomen. Now turn your attention to your nostrils and experience the sensations of air moving in and air moving out. Notice how the air is sharper and colder as it enters your nostrils, and softer and warmer as it leaves your nostrils. Now focus your attention only on the left nostril, focusing and experiencing the sensations of air moving in and out only at the left nostril. That's quite alright even if you're noticing sensations from your other nostril or from elsewhere. Just do your best to maintain your focus, your attention only at the left nostril. Now focus your attention only at the right nostril, experiencing the sensations of air moving in and out only at the right nostril. Now move your attention back only to your left nostril. Now move your attention back to your right nostril, staying focused, experiencing the sensations only at the right nostril. Moving your attention back to both the nostrils, experiencing the sensations from both the left and the right nostril. Moving your attention back to the movements of your abdomen, experiencing once again the rising and falling of your abdomen. Moving your attention back to the contact between your body and the chair. Noticing the contact of air on your skin. Notice any light shining through your eyelids. And slowly and gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's session, although you might have found it a little challenging when you narrowed the point of your attention to only one nostril. But did you also notice that it became a little more interesting as you became aware of many subtle sensations that you hadn't noticed before? You might find it difficult, of course, to do this initially, but with time and practice, this technique will hone your focus to a laser intensity. Now, before your next session, try this technique a few times. You can do this for just half a minute or so, even in the middle of your workday. So try that, and we will build on this further in the next session. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 2.